Peace and love, everybody. This is Young Nas from iGotOptions LLC, and in this video I want to talk about reviewing your trades. It should be natural, if not second nature, as a trader to review your trades, because how else are you going to improve yourself or your strategy if you're not reviewing the trades that you've taken? It's important to look back at the mistakes that you've made in your past, right, and revising them, figuring out different ways to fix your strategy, right? Sometimes you may have your stop loss too tight and then you keep losing money, or sometimes you're not taking profits when you should, right? It's important to review your trades, and ultimately doing this is back testing, which is a fancy word for testing out your strategy and seeing how it would have done in the past. So you reviewing your own trades is good practice for you, and it's helping you become a better trader, helping you be more successful, and it helps develop a way for you to make consistent profits. And be sure to write down the mistakes that you've made in the past in your journal, right, in your little trading diary. That way, when you continue to work on your trading journey and you stay disciplined and you stay dedicated, you can look back at your past and realize, hey, why was I making these childish rookie mistakes, right? And now you're dealing with more advanced, top tier mistakes, right? Super high level rocket science mistakes. That's why it's important to review your trades at the end of the day, because doing so helps you become the perfect trader that you're trying to be, right? Because at the end of the day, we're all trying to perfect something that's going to give us an edge in the market. So reviewing your trades helps you do that.